Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn JavaScript document queryselectorall to find out all children elements. Okay, so we will see how we can use queryselectorall. Let's create an HTML file, index.html, and I'm going to use HTML5 code. Here we go. Okay, let's write down an h1 tag and give me the title of this topic that we have. Okay. If you want to see what's this post, you can see all blog and you can search and you can find that there's an article written on this one, query selector run. You will find the all details inside of it. Okay, let me now run the live server. Here we are at the live server. So our requirement is we should have a div tag. Okay, inside of div we have different tags. Let's call it wrapper. Okay, inside of this we have a p tag, and p content should be, this is a paragraph. I am going to keep it really simple, and adjacent to this there will be a div, and let's add the content. This is first div. Okay, then there will be another div, and this div will be, this is second div. Okay, and I'm going to press tab. So our structure is ready. Let me save this. So this is our structure. Okay, so or the HTML that we are going to deal with. Now if we find all the selectors or all the child element from a parent element, the JavaScript provides you a way by using queryselectorall. Let's see how we can use this. So I'm going to create a variable called wrapper children. Let's keep a meaningful name, and in this one I'm going to write document query. Okay, queryselectorall. Here we go. And in this one I'm going to write a statement to find all the query selector. My ID is wrapper, so I'm going to use this ID wrapper, and with wrapper greater than static, so it will return me all the children's or child element inside of this wrapper. Okay, so let's find out is it working. Console.log. In this one I'm going to write wrapper children, and wrapper children, let's call the 0 element and see what it will return to us. And inspect element console, here you can see it is giving me p tag. It's just showing that on 0 we have p tag. What we can get from this, we can get a tag name. Okay, and tag name we can call this one again, and in this one let's call it 3 times more, and add what we can call a text content. We can call outer HTML, then we can call parent element dot, let's call tag name, and here we go. So if I'll save this, you can see the tag name is showing p, the content is showing this is a paragraph, and the outer HTML is showing the complete PHTML, which is, this is a paragraph inside a p tag, and inside of tag name the parent tag is div. Let's call the instead of tag ID, so you can see ID is the wrapper, which is this ID. Okay, so if you want to see all the elements inside, you can copy paste it, or you can use for loop. Inside of for, let's initiate it with 0, initialize it with 0, I less than wrapper children dot length semicolon I plus plus. Here we go, and let's cut this code from here and paste it inside of this for loop, and I am going to save it with I. Okay, I. So we just change it with the code. Let's do one more thing. Console.log. and add some dashes over here. This will help us to distinguish the content. So here we are. You can see what we are getting over here. First we have p tag. This is with the content. The parent tag is div id wrapper, and then we have a div. This is the first div, and the content HTML using outer HTML. Parent tag id is wrapper. Then we have the div. This div text is second div, the outer HTML, the ID. So you can see we can easily find all the children inside of a div using vanilla.js queryselectorall. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.